Some combinations are just better than others, like chips and cheese? I say yes please, but pineapple on a pizza? I'd rather eat an old MRE, honestly, but Bourns, however, has a combo that every engineer can agree on, sandwiching a GDT inside a MOV in their IsoMOV hybrid circuit protection device. The result is higher surge current ratings in smaller packages and longer operational life. IsoMOV devices offer nominal surge current ratings of 3,000, 5,000, and 8,000 amps in 10, 14, and 20 mm class devices, providing surge ratings comparable to the next larger size of a conventional MOV. This allows engineers to improve circuit protection performance in the same footprint or shrink the size of the design without compromising protection levels. The devices are offered with max continuous operating voltages up to 555 volts AC, with lower clamping voltage, low capacitance, and low leakage. They also have an extended temperature range up to 125 degrees Celsius, are temperature over voltage tolerant, and are UL 1449 Type 4 recognized components.